In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use PowerPoint Presenter View on a single monitor. Now normally, Presenter View is designed for dual monitor setups, where your audience sees the slideshow and you see your notes on a separate screen. But what if you only have one monitor, or you're presenting from a laptop without a second display? Don't worry, there's a simple way to make it work. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can confidently present with your notes, timer, and slide previews all from one screen. And if you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. Once your file is open and ready, look at the top menu bar and click on the Slideshow tab. This is where all the presentation controls are located. Inside the Slideshow tab, you'll see several options related to how your presentation is displayed. Next, find the checkbox labeled Use Presenter View. Go ahead and tick that box. This tells PowerPoint that you want to use the Presenter View interface, which includes your speaker notes, a timer, and slide navigation tools. Even though this feature is commonly used with two monitors, we're going to configure it so it works properly on just one. After enabling Presenter View, stay inside the Slideshow tab and look for the Monitor Settings section. You'll see a drop-down menu that allows you to choose which monitor PowerPoint should use for the slideshow. Click on the Monitor arrow drop-down. Since you're working with a single monitor setup, select Primary Monitor from the list. This ensures that both the slideshow and Presenter View will function correctly on your main screen. Now, here's the key shortcut that makes everything work smoothly on one monitor. Instead of clicking the standard From Beginning button, press Alt plus F5 on your keyboard. This is extremely important. The Alt plus F5 shortcut launches Presenter View directly within your current window, instead of trying to split it across multiple screens. As soon as you press Alt plus F5, PowerPoint will open Presenter View on your single monitor. You'll now see your current slide displayed prominently, along with your speaker notes underneath. On the side, you'll notice a preview of the next slide, which helps you stay prepared for what's coming next. At the top, there's also a timer that automatically starts running as soon as your presentation begins. This is perfect for keeping track of your speaking time, especially during meetings, lectures, or recorded presentations. From here, you can navigate through your slides using the arrow keys on your keyboard, your mouse, or the on-screen navigation buttons. Your audience will see the slide content clearly if you're screen sharing in a meeting platform like Zoom or Teams, while you still maintain control with your notes visible. If you ever need to exit Presenter View, simply press the Escape key on your keyboard. This will immediately end the slideshow and bring you back to the normal editing view in PowerPoint. Using Presenter View on a single monitor is incredibly useful for students, teachers, business professionals, and content creators who don't always have access to a second screen. It allows you to stay organized, confident, and professional without investing in additional hardware. So just to quickly recap, click on the Slideshow tab, tick Use Presenter View, choose Primary Monitor from the Monitor dropdown, and then press Alt plus F5 to launch Presenter View on a single screen. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical PowerPoint tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.